now for Utah's most accurate forecast with Alana Brophy, weather rate certified 10 years in a row.
All right, Alana, the weekend is here and it's going to look much different than the calm week we had.
Remember yesterday when it was 71, Glenn?
I sure do.
I know, that's like a distant memory at this point. Cooler air moving in. This is what it looked like to start the day in Duchesne, where wet weather moved in. Yes, we saw rain out there and we did see thunderstorm activity. Speaking of rain, we still have it coming down in St. George. You can kind of see it on our Dixie Tech camera here, and we've been watching it for the last little while. It's been on and off when it comes to wet weather. This was the first wave of moisture impacting us. We noticed those increased winds, and winds will be an issue as we make it through the entire weekend. So a heads up there, gusty conditions. Snow on deck, yes, for the valleys, accumulating snow, and we've got a winter alert for the high country. Active skies are here and they're going to continue to impact us. This is what it looked like as a few cells came through northern Utah. You catch that rain on the camera there? Yeah, downtown Salt Lake City definitely saw a decent amount of activity this evening from that first wave of moisture. Storms moving from south to north, and even at this hour staying active in eastern Utah, down south and in north. Yeah, central Utah right now, Utah County, as we kind of take that look. You can see towards Payson, Spanish Fork, Provo, as well as up near Kaysville, heading over the mountains just a little bit. West Desert's active, eastern Utah towards Green River and Moab. Soggy conditions, and we're getting some mixed precipitation there where that rain and snow will mix together. Snow above 6,500 feet in the south, and we've got rain in the West Desert. There's that cell in St. George that we're picking up on the camera, and that's going to continue into the overnight. Periods of precipitation expected for your weekend, so you should know we're not done yet. Decent wind gusts for the north today. Look at those areas popping those 40-mile-per-hour gusts. That's Delta, Milford, Moab, Blanding, and we are going to see gusty conditions holding steady. Also, the thunderstorm threat shifts for tomorrow, but it's still there, so we have the potential. That would be in central, eastern, and southern Utah. Yeah, rumble of thunder. It's possible, and it happens at the same time as our winter weather advisory. Hello, winter. Okay, at noon, our mountains will go under this advisory with accumulating snow expected. We are going to see that snow in the high country, welcoming back winter travel. This does include the Wasatch, Uintas, Wasatch Plateau, Central Mountains, Book Cliffs, and then down there near Bryan Head. Southern Mountains are part of this as well. So a heads up, that'll give you an idea that we've got cold air moving in. Another system coming through for our Saturday, and that's why we get another round of wet weather. Valley rain and mountain snow most likely for most of the day for your Saturday. But then as we get later into Saturday, that cooler air comes flooding in. We get cold conditions, the coldest of the weekend, Saturday night into Sunday, and that's when we expect that precipitation to transfer over to straight snow, accumulating snow at that. So today we had that system. We stay active. Here we are by lunch tomorrow. Valley rain, mountain snow, but you see how we start to see more snow filling in by the evening and the overnight. This band is where we're going to get accumulation early Sunday morning, and you watch as that band moves through northern and central Utah. How much accumulation? Well, this is how much. 2 to 5 in our northern valleys with the Wasatch Front, 1-4 closer to Cache Valley. Central Valley is at 3 to 6. Our benches match that, 4 to 8 in our mountain valleys. And this is why we have a winter weather advisory, because with totals like this, we're going to be adding a lot of snow in a short amount of time. 12 to 18 in the Cottonwoods, so some healthy amounts there. Temperatures continuing to cool. Lots of 40s on deck for tomorrow. Salt Lake could hit 50. Thunderstorms on the eastern side of the state. Wet weather out there, 40s and 50s down that I-15 corridor. 50s in St. George with rain. That's below average by a significant amount. We stay there as we get through the weekend, and actually for the next 7 days we'll dry out, but we see pretty mild conditions. Windy definitely in the south, so a heads up there. Enhanced canyon winds possible. Also the chance for snow on Sunday, and then another little system digs through Sunday night into Monday, so lingering snow showers on Monday. Tuesday's a break, but look at that potential. By the middle of the week we get another storm on Wednesday with cold air in place. And that could mean additional snow that lingers into Thursday morning. Overnight lows get chilly again. It is still winter, and you will be reminded of that, especially on Sunday. Glenn, over to you.
Yep, quite a wild change. Thanks so much, Alana.